Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome to session number 2. And tonight we will be piggybacking off of what we talked about on the last session. So, the last session we talked about the candlesticks, the candlestick anatomy. Today we're talking about reading and understanding the candles. All right. And when I say reading and understanding the candles, what I mean actually is the size of the candles and how they are formed. Because the size of the candles and how they are formed really means a lot. It can tell you a lot. All right. So your candles can be, and I'm going to draw them all in one color this time. All right. So you can have a candle look like this with short wicks at the top and the bottom. You can have long candles. All right. With no wicks. You can have a candle like this, long wick at the bottom. You can have a candle like this, long wick at the top. Or you can have a candle that looks something like this. All right, like that. Another one, kind of like this, with equal size wicks on both sides. All right. So what do these candles mean? All right. This candle, this first candle and this last candle, they almost kind of similar. All right. These candles, whether they're up candles, this candle here, the first candle, candle number one. What happens here is, okay, so say for instance, this is an up close candle. All right. So price would open down here at the bottom and the buyers would push up. All right. They'll push all the way up. Then they'll come and push down, or they might push down and then push up and then come back down. All right. Now, whatever color this candle is, they win. They win. This is a pretty healthy candle. All right. This is a pretty healthy candle. All right. This one here, this is a strong candle. Whether this is an up candle or a down candle, let's say it's an up candle. Whether this is an up candle or a down candle, this candle is strong. All right. As you can see, if it's a up candle, green, bullish candle, all buying pressure. All right. All buying pressure. No wicks. Open, close, bam, went straight up. If it's a down candle, then it's the opposite. All right. Open up, no wicks, down, close, strong selling. All right. This candle indicates strong, either strong buying or strong selling. These candles here is where we start to get into, okay, yeah, this means something. Now, when you see these candles at certain points on the chart, they mean a lot more. Okay. And we're going to get into that a bit later. But now I'm just going to explain to you. So let's say, for instance, this is an up candle or a down candle, either one. So what happened here, okay, price will open right here. All right. And then all of a sudden it came all the way down. The sellers came in, pushed price all the way down here. And then what happened? They got exhausted, selling pressure ran out, and then boom, here come the buyers. The buyers came in, this candle closed it. Now, this is a sign of a bullish reversal. This usually comes in an area where price is reversing, a bullish reversal. All right. On the opposite end of that spectrum, this candle shows me that the sellers came in, I mean, the candle opened up and the buyers came in strong. All right. The buyers came in strong, pushed price all the way up, but then ended up closing down here. Whether it opened here, close here, or open here or close here, it don't matter. What happened is the buyers came in strong, but then the sellers overpowered them. All right. This normally happens in a bearish reversal. When price is coming up, you get this candle, then it come down. All right. This candle here shows indecision. All right. This one, this one is kind of indecision as well. All right. But especially this one. All right. And what happens here, you see there's nobody. It opened and closed at the same level. It's the undecided. This also comes at reversal points. You see this a lot in consolidation as well. All right. Now let's go to the charts and let's see. Look, remember I told you the strong conviction candles, the strong. See right here, even though this one has wicks at the bottom and at the top, this is a strong, real strong buying candle. That's a lot of buyers in there. All right. This is a healthy candle. This is like that first candle I showed you. All right. See this one here, this long candle here with the minimal wicks? That's similar to the long one with no wicks. All right. But look at what happened. Look at this candle here. Look, see the long wick at the bottom? And then look at what happened. Price pushed up. Price came down. See how price was coming down? Down from up here. All right. And then look at what happened. It pushed up. Even this next candle ended up bullish. All right. This next candle ended up bullish. Price came down, pushed down, pushed down, pushed down, pushed down, pushed down. All right. Here we get a long wick. The bottom wick is longer than the top, even with this one. This starts trying to come up some, but look at this one. And then look what happened. It came down, 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 push. You can see the bottom wick longer than the top wick. All right. So what happened is the buyers were starting to come in right there. And then look at what happened. See right here? Bullish. All right. That candle bullish. All right. Now let's look at some of these. Let's find one of look, see, indecision candles. See all these indecision candles, especially this one here. This is like a doji candle right here. This one, or a spinning top, a doji. Look at this right here. This is indecision. They didn't know what they want to do. You got a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom, small body. Wick at the top, wick at the bottom, small body. Wick at the top, wick at the bottom, small body. All right. They don't know what they want to do right here. All right. This was around market close. All right. Here you can see we were bullish. Even price even tried to come up. Ended up pushing down. All right. Let's look at another chart. Let's look at this one. All right. Look at what we got. Okay. See, we ended strong. We ended with two strong down candles right here. Look at this reversal point. Price came up, and look at what happened. The sellers pushed it down. All right. Here we got indecision. It moved sideways. If I go to the lower time frame, you can see that this is moving sideways. Watch. Remember this spot here? I'm going to put a box around it right quick just to kind of show you guys. Now watch this. I'm going to go to the 5 minute. Look, see where the box at? Remember, that was indecision. See that? See it moving sideways right there? Watch, 1 hour. Look, see that? Boom. Same candle, this candle. 5 minute. Look, moving sideways right there. Indecision. They don't know if they want to go up. They don't know if they want to go down. It's straight moving sideways. All right? That's what happens in indecision. You're going to get a lot of consolidation. This is what it's called, consolidation, when price is moving sideways. And I'm going to teach you more on consolidation when we get into market structure. All right? Let's look at another chart. Let's see if we can find something. Let's see, US 30. Oh, this was a setup I got for US 30. Let's look at this one this is the NASDAQ, NAS 100. All right? Look at what we got. Look at this candle right here. All right? You can see what happened. See this long wick? I mean, price went up, but then the sellers came down. This is a reversal point. Pushed it down, right? And look at these bear candles coming down. All right? Let's see, price tried to come down here, but the bulls took over and drove it back up. Now watch. I want to show y'all something. I'm going to mark this. Now let's go down to the lower time frame. Remember what I said? The bulls took over and pushed it up. Watch this. Let's go to 5 minute. Look at this. Boom. See what I remember what I said? Price tried to come down. The bulls took over and pushed it up. Exactly like I told you guys. So understanding the candles, understanding the wicks and the bodies, understanding all that is very, very important. All right. Now you heard me say that where those candles form are very, very important. I want you guys to remember that because later on down the line, you're going to need that once we get into our entries. You know, that's a little bit past market structure. It's going to help you when it comes to entries. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session. Stay tuned for the next session. All right. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, give me that subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Deuces.